Okay, here we have it, a Remington Model 3 typewriter. Uh, Still in original case. Case has a little locking mechanism here, but you don't need a key. Just unlocks by hand, and then it looks like it is broken back here, but actually that's how it's designed. It just like hooks and connects, so you can take it off. Look, it still has the original brush, like maintenance brush. I wonder if this thing ever got used since 29 even. It's in amazing shape. The keys, they're smooth as can be. Shift key shifts the whole thing up. And then I guess it must be a different one that comes up. Yeah. uh, Original ribbon. If you put ink in this, uh, you could just type up a letter still. There you have it.